welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I want to use this Beautybay Evolve palette today for a look. I think I want to do something greenish. I'm not 100% sure, but we'll see what we come up with. I also decided not to put the background up since I just did my tour. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. I want to see what it's like without the background, see if it's distracting. Sometimes I don't like to have the background up just because it makes the room feel a little bit smaller and cluttered. So I really like the space to be open like this, but we will see how this turns out. And I'm just gonna go ahead and jump in. So I'm gonna show you what the inside of the palette looks like. Looks like this. And I'm thinking I wanna use these three colors down here, but we will see. Usually I go with the colors that I'm thinking, but I don't know. Okay, so they don't have color names, but what they have is like these rows have 1 through 7, and then this here actually says highlight, pop, liner, crease, transition, base, and that's how they have it here. So I think I'm gonna first go in with, okay, if I want to use these colors, I think I'm gonna go in like with this color here, and I might mix it with these two or like these two. I think I'm gonna go this way, these two, and mix. So the crease shade number 3, transition shade number 4. And this does come with like a really good size mirror, or like a big mirror. So mixing these two together to put in my crease. And these palettes are like very pigmented and like really nice, and they're affordable. Beautybay usually has coupons. So check it out, and I'm gonna wing it out. No tape, just winging it out. Okay, like that. And then I want to go straight into the shimmer shades. So what I'm gonna put on my lid first, and I'm not gonna cut my crease with any crease base. I have the space still pretty clean, so I'm just gonna go straight in. So I'm gonna use both these colors, I'm pretty sure, but I'm first gonna go in with this color here, which is the pop shade number 7, and then I'll use highlight shade number 7 on close to the inner corner, and that will be blended out. So on the outer eye, I'm going to use this liner shade number 7. So 777. Okay, I got my Mario Badescu. This is the chamomile and lavender one, so that way I can spray it on the brush and make the shades pop, hopefully. And this one is going mainly on like the center of my lid. I'll use my finger. Okay, I'm taking a little bit close to the inner corner, but I'm going to go over it with that other color I pointed out. I feel like this color isn't exactly what I was going for, but we'll make it work. And I'm using the eyeshadow brush to kind of create that like sharp cut just by going back and forth. So I'll put a little bit on the brush and then I just go back and forth with it to create that cut as if I did like an actual cut crease. All right, now we'll go into the other color I pointed out, which was the highlight color. And that's just going on the center, not the center, the inner. So I have an order that's supposed to be delivered today from Clarity Cosmetics. I plan to do a haul on that soon, and you'll get to see. I don't have anything from Clarity Cosmetics, so we'll see what it's like. I think I got 2 palettes and maybe 20 single shades. So I did end up needing, I forgot to get a Z palette when I placed my order. So I'm gonna have to now, well, I ordered one on Amazon, which will come this weekend. So I'm going into that greenish shade just for the outer portion. Ooh, that was like really pigmented. I just dipped my brush in there once. And I am blending it up into the color that I first put down. Just kind of looking back, the color, and let me blend this together some more. So I'm just blending like my life away. But the color on my lid is not exactly what I was thinking. So this shade isn't coming out like the purpley color on my lid. It kind of is matching this color here. So I'm gonna go in with this color, which is a purple shimmer. And I'm gonna place that down where that green is meeting the other shade. So like that. And just because I didn't like the transition being so harsh like that, so we add that deeper purple to kind of help blend in this other color we had here. And the color that's not showing up the way I wanted to, I'm gonna just add a little bit more of that here, and I'm just patting that on. And I wish I had the tape now, because I do want, like, I like this part to be sharp. I'm adding a little bit more green so that this is deep. And I haven't done my face yet, so all this will be cleaned up after my face is done. Okay, so let me go off and do my face and my eyeliner, and then I'll be back. And I'm just blending this inner corner part out a little bit more. Okay, and then we'll be back with the completed look. So just putting eyeliner, mascara, no lashes today, and then doing the rest of my face. Be back. This is the completed eye look and my completed face. For my lower lash line, I used the Tarte Black Liner for my waterline. And then I used the same colors that I used in my crease. So I used these 2 shades mixed on like the inner part, and then I took this deep green on the outer edge. For mascara, I use the Essence False Lashes Extreme Volume and Curl. I really like Essence. I have other mascaras, but I always reach for like an Essence mascara. Same with my eyeliner. I use the Essence Super Last Deep Black. Always use this, even though I have other ones. It's just my favorite. For my lips, I use this Jordana pencil in Tawny. This is actually almost done. I can't even, it doesn't even go up anymore, so I probably won't be able to use this anymore. But for the over top of that, I used the Glam Light liquid lipstick in Rum. So this was in their last collaboration, or their last collection, which was like that, the one that looked like the wine bottles. I can't remember what it was called, but this is the lipstick from that collection. And yeah, that is everything I used. I know it seemed kind of shaky at first. I was getting kind of worried that it wasn't going to turn out how I was thinking, but once I added that purple in, to kind of transition the original color I put on my lid. I think that that worked better, and now that everything's all done, it came together well, I think. So go ahead and leave your comments down below on what you think of this look. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.